Welcome to our webinar, Spice Up Your Point of Sales with 3D and AR products. My name is Britta Pjovesan and I'm a communicator at Roomle. Today, together with my colleagues Katrin and Max, we're looking forward to showing you how you can revolutionize your customer's shopping experience and increase your sales with 3D and AR technology. Now, some organizational matters. The webinar will be recorded. And you will also have the opportunity to ask your questions live in the chat or after the presentation. Now, I wish you an interesting half an hour. Please, Katrin and Max, start our webinar.
Yeah, hello everybody. Also from my side, I'm Katrin. This is my colleague Max, as already introduced by Britta. And we'll give you some insights in 3D and augmented reality experiences at the point of sale. And we'll start right away. You already see a QR code, so you already can try it out live if you take your mobile device and scan this code, so you will see the chair in augmented reality right in your room. So why are we discussing this topic? Why do we think it's really crucial to offer 3D product experiences and also augmented reality at the point of sale? A Shopify study says that you can reach up to 40% higher conversion rate if you show products in 3D, if you offer 3D product experiences. Nearly 70% of customers say that 3D product experiences positively influence their purchasing decision, according to a Forrester study. And so far, only 1% of retailers are using AR or are offering AR, but more than 60% of consumers say they really prefer retailers that have augmented reality experiences. And yeah, we are discussing a lot omni-channel experiences and connecting the online and offline world for consumers. And the better we do this, the better we connect online and offline, the better is the customer experience, which is also shown by a Shopify trend report of last year of 2023. And the better connection between online and offline will give retailers and brands a better chance to survive and thrive going forward. Yeah, first example we see here, this nice marble table. So why does it make sense to offer 3D product experiences in augmented reality? It's very simple, actually. It's because you can examine the product from every angle. You can see every detail. So consumers can take a very close look at the product and might see details which are not visible in photos. And also by providing customers with such a realistic and high-end visualization of a product, again bridges the gap between online and offline shopping experiences. This leads to a higher confidence in the buying decision, because I can see how the new product, how the desired product fits in my home or in my office, wherever I am, because augmented reality helps me to overcome uncertainty, and it improves my decision comfort, and therefore it reduces a customer's hesitation when it comes to the purchasing decision. And uncertainty especially is high when buying not so well-known brands or buying high-end products, so where I have to invest quite a bit. So then I get uncertain, and augmented reality certainly helps to reduce this uncertainty and have more confidence in the buying decision. Here we have some references. You see a table dishwasher. I personally would say it's a product which does not emotionalize me a lot, but when I can try it in augmented reality and see it in my own kitchen, this, by the way, is the Roomle office you see here, so it's not my kitchen. but it fits very nicely, I would say. And if I can play around with a product, try it out, view it in 3D, place it in my kitchen, and it looks like in reality, it somehow emotionalizes me, and I get a better connection with the product and also with the brand. And this experience enables me to identify with the product and develop positive emotions, even with a dishwasher. Here we have another reference. It's Open Air Kitchen from Germany, and they are telling basically Open Air Kitchen stories. They used the augmented reality functionality for a newsletter campaign, for a contest, a design contest, and they invited their customers and potential customers to create their personal kitchen in the 3D tool, and then take a snapshot of the augmented reality situation and take part in the contest, in the design contest. So with this, they really increase their own brand awareness and create some nice and unforgettable experiences that customers certainly will remember and hopefully also share with others via social media channels, via email, on the phone, wherever. And yeah, it enables companies to tell stories and immerse customers in the world of their brand, which is really important when you want to keep customers and yeah, include them in your brand vision. Then a very well-known brand, Tesa, they also use augmented reality for their bathroom products currently. And yeah, you can view this little container in your bathroom. And if you have a mobile device now next to you, you can please take it and you can scan the QR code and place this little container on your wall in your bathroom. If you're in the bathroom, no, and try it out and see it. And in the augmented reality version, you really see how that it's just not only a little plastic container, but that it's really a nice quality, a nice black surface. And yeah, you can imagine how it looks like and have more confidence in buying, because you want to fit this product into your bathroom, obviously. Then another customer reference, Leha from Austria. They are producing these blinds and currently are using the 3D viewer and augmented reality in their B2B platform. And they every year they are producing a print catalog, and are using the QR codes for this catalog. So if I want to see this blind and in this color in augmented reality in front of my window, or show it to a customer, a B2C customer, I can use this QR code. This is also a very nice example where we are in the offline world, and of course they are using it also online in their B2B portal. Yeah, and last but not least, you can use, or 3D and augmented reality become more popular even in interactive or in shopping ads, so that shopping ads get way more interactive and way more catchy for consumers. So if I have the chance to, or if I know I can view the product in 3D and in my own room, I might be more likely to click on the ad and then buy the product. So again, it increases my conversion rate. Yeah, to summarize it up, the advantages of 3D and augmented reality, especially in online shopping, are quite clear. We can create a stronger emotional connection between the product, the brand, and the consumer. This leads to fewer returns, because if I'm less uncertain in my purchasing decision, I'm less likely to return the product. This also leads to higher satisfaction, and in the end, which we all thrive for, to higher conversion rates. Yeah, that's basically it from my side. We've seen some examples here, and now you might ask yourself, okay, that's really cool, but how can I set this up? What do I need to transform my 2D images, product images into 3D products with cool experiences? And now my colleague Max will take over, and I stop sharing my screen.
You can still share.
I can still share, okay.
Just click on the next slide. Thank you very much. Hello, everybody. Thanks for having us. I will show you what you need for your product 3D view and how you would set it up. First of all, you need your 3D file, and for this we generally recommend GLB file formats. Why is this so? It is a self-contained and very efficient file format and is widely used by 3D artists in any field. So if you have a 3D file in this format, everybody could use it. And the other reasons are that it supports PBR materials, which is a big deal for us in the representing and in the rendering. So your assets will look really, really good. Yeah, alternatives are for us FBX, which is similar to GLB, but it only is for Archicad and AutoCAD computer softwares. So it's not that widely used. And also alternative would be OBJ, but this is a format which doesn't support textures. So all your 3D material, 3D assets would look just great. And you certainly don't want that. So now I would like to share my screen and start setting up one of the first 3D assets. So you would start on our very lovely Roomle admins platform where all your catalogs are shown. For here now, we just start with our testing catalog and we navigate to products where you would upload all your 3D assets. So you just create a level 1 product here and simply drag your GLB file like this, for example, into this uploader here. And then you get a quick analysis of how likely your 3D file has a good performance here, and how the content generally holds up in our configurator. Here we see a really, really good count of triangles, and it has good dimensions, so everything would be fine here. And we can see a really nice imaging and a really nice rendering of your product. As I said, GLB, this is a GLB file. This supports the PBR as materials, which means you have stuff like speculars and displacement maps on your materials, which are directly baked into the GLB file, which makes the product look really, really good in our rendering. So to finish up, you just give your product a name and an ID. We can also generate this automatically. And you are automatically done. And then you can, the process is starting that the 3D file gets uploaded to our platform. And you, after that, you can already use it with our embedding code here. You can see the links for the website directly, and you also can start embedding your product once it's done uploading. This might take a while. You get an email notification for that as well. And also the product images are generated automatically. In the meantime, I can show you what happens if your 3D model doesn't hit our marks. We have this handy content analyzer here, which works the really same way. And if we take, for instance, a 3D file which doesn't hold the all the specifics or all the standards you should be within for our platform. You already see that it takes a little longer to upload, but what ultimately happens, it tells you that the triangle count is too high and the numbers of textures used in this model are too high. You could still use your product in our platform and everything would be fine, but you have to keep in mind that maybe the performance within the configurator or within the visualizer will suffer a little bit, but everything is still usable. It's not just that's quickly responding. Also, only size in this case doesn't matter. You can also have bad triangle counts on your 3D model if it is a smaller model as well. So let's check out this model here. It is generally a smaller geometry, but also the triangle count is really high. And this is because of we have in this model we have a lot of round shapes, a lot of small details that are really cool for visualization, but not the best for triangle counts and vertices counts, which means your model will be performing a little poorer, but still it will be usable in our platform and for all your visualizations and AR or AR features. Yes. So once I have this email notification, we can resume on our model we uploaded. Maybe give it a little refresh.
Meanwhile, Max, you mentioned a so-called level 1 product. In the Roomle world, we differentiate between level 1, 2, and up. A level 1 product means that it is a non-configurable product, so I can just view it in 3D, but I cannot change colors or anything. So it's a static product in terms of configuration. This means level 1. And the content analyzer you just saw, it's a free link which is available on our website. It's for free, so you can just use it without having to register on our website, and you instantly get that kind of feedback. So it's a nice tool for a quick checkup of 3D products. Yeah. For upload, this is the content analyzer. If you want to use products and embed them on your website, you need to register. So to have this view and these options, to get these options, you need a so-called tenant on the Roomle platform, and therefore you need to register, and then you can start uploading 3D models and manage them right away on our platform. This is still processing, so but doesn't matter. Do we have the embedding link already or not yet? Right?
But if not, maybe we just use a different one.
Yeah.
It's still uploading here, so we just use a different one. Maybe yeah, this one here. So you can just use this link down here and open it up in another tab, and then you already can view your product in the 3D scene, and also click the AR button, which gives you a QR code for doing so.
Or a link you can share
exactly
with somebody else.
Yeah.
Okay. And if I want to put this now on my website or integrate it in my web shop, what
you would
do I have to do?
Usually all those configurators or views are embedded in the website via an iframe. So you just need to copy this embedding code to your website source code. And if you know how to use an iframe, you already just use this. You set up the window on your website's source code and place it anywhere you want to. Exactly.
The backend of my website, and there it is. It's already live and up and running.
Yes.
Right. Cool. Then I would say, Max, we're done
Thank you.
with the webinar. as Britta mentioned earlier, if there are any questions, please write them in the chat. We will answer them or get back to us. If you want to discuss further, if you want to contact us in a personal meeting, then we're always here for you. Thank you very much and have a great Thursday.
Bye.
Bye.